Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial on GIS and RS solution. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to analyze land surface temperature using MODIS data in Google Earth Engine. We will calculate the daily LST time series for the year 2024 or 25, convert the temperature from Kelvin to Celsius, and visualize the mean LST map. Finally, we will export the result to Google Drive, and I will show you how to download the temporal variations of surface temperature throughout the year in Excel format and the graph in PNG format. I have shared the code in the comment section of this video so you can easily use it. With this code, you can perform LST analysis for any region of your interest. I hope you will find this tutorial easy and useful. Let's get started. So first, create file, go to new and then click on file and file name. I'm going to give it a name, LST underscore BD. So click OK. My file name has been created, and after that I will add my study area, my area of interest. For that, go to assets, and here is my study area, and then click on import. So I'm going to name this variable as area of interest, AOI. So my area of interest has been added, and now I will import LST image collection from MODIS dataset. So define variable. I'm defining variable. I'm naming it MODIS, and then go to search, write MODIS, and you will see here several options, and just click here MODIS 11A1. Yeah, this one, daily global 1 kilometer, and yeah, this one, Terra land surface temperature and MECB2 daily global 1 kilometer. Here you will find several informations. So copy this, and then, or you can import here, and then paste here image collection MODIS dataset, and after that I will filter the date, 1st January 2024 to 31 December 2024, and after that I will select, yeah, this one, LST day on kilometer, daily on kilometer resolutions data. Yes, daytime land surface temperature band at on kilometer resolution. And then I will convert Kelvin to Celsius, degree Celsius. So define variable, and I'm naming it mod cell, and then modis dot map function image, and then return image img. So dot map function image, uh, it mainly denotes this function applies the same operations to every image in the collection. So and then return image, this is mainly represents each individual image in the collection. And then we'll multiply by scale factor 0.02, and then we'll subtract by 273.15, and then writing a function copy properties image, then system time start. So we're using it because this keeps the date information of each Modi's image after processing this system dot time start. And now we will create chart of LST temporal analysis for LST temporal variations throughout the year. So for that, I'm defining variable chart, and then create, and then writing function UI dot chart dot image dot series, and then image collection. It will be, yeah, this one mode cell, this variable, and then region, I mean my study area of interest, yeah, this variable. And we will use reducer, w dot reducer function dot mean, we will use this reducer calculates the average LST value for all pixels within the area of interest for each image. And then scale 1000 resolutions, and then X property system dot no system time start, this function. This for image acquisition date for the x axis of the chart, so the chart will display temperature changes over time. And then for chart dot set options, then title will be, so I'm going to give it a title LST temporal analysis for the chart title, and then vertical axis. This title will be LST degrees Celsius, and then horizontal axis, there will be date for the chart. And then I'll print chart semicolon, and then click on run. Yeah, there is an error. Yeah, image is not defined, so maybe I have done a mistake here. Yeah, image, it will be img. Then click on run. Yeah, now it's correct. So you can see over here the LST temporal analysis chart for the whole year. Later I will show you how you can download this chart. So now now I will visualize the image, I mean LST map, defining a variable mean, and then this variable mode cell dot mean dot clip based on my area of interest, then semicolon, and then I will visualize parameters, defining variable image vis param bisparam, and then minimum 20 and maximum 45, and then color palette blue, cyan, green, yellow, orange, and red for my map. After that I will center the map. So for that I'm writing function map dot center object per my area of interest, and zoom extent 8, and then map dot add layer, this mean, and then this one image vis prm visualization parameters, this variable, and then mean LST, the map title. After that click on run. Yeah, it is in process. Yeah, now go to layers and click here and go to custom, and then stress 98%, and then apply. Yeah, you can see here our LST map has been done, and here go to satellite, and if you uncheck the levels you can see here the complete map. Here the red portion is the maximum temperature, and the green the lowest temperature, and the yellow, maybe the medium temperature. I mean, highest to lowest temperature. And then I will export the output to my Google Drive. For that, I will use export.image.to drive and image, I mean, mean and yaps, and then description, mean LST 2024, and region, my study area, scale 1000, resolution max pixels on E13, and then click run and go to task, and you can see our task, and here task name, scale, drive, file name, and click on run. Downloading, yeah, the map has been downloading the TIFF file. Go to your drive and then download, and then you can process it in using ArcGIS or QGIS. And if you want to download the chart, LST temporal analysis, then go to here, yeah, download CSV, or you can also download PNG file. If you open the chart Excel file, and then you can see here the date and the temperature for the whole year. For land surface temperature mapping, you can use this code for any region in the world. Just change the AOI, I mean area of interest. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe to JS and RS Solutions for weekly new video tutorials. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and happy.